If you try to launch Spyro Reignited Trilogy on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated, or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app. Select Spyro Reignited Trilogy. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Spyro Reignited Trilogy to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Press Yes. Now wait for Spyro Reignited Trilogy to be scanned for errors. Now launch Spyro Reignited Trilogy. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Spyro Reignited Trilogy. Click on the three dots to open the Spyro Reignited Trilogy options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Spyro Reignited Trilogy isn't working right, you can try to repair it. Spyro Reignited Trilogy data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Spyro Reignited Trilogy is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Spyro Reignited Trilogy's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Spyro Reignited Trilogy is still not working, uninstall it. This will uninstall Spyro Reignited Trilogy's settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall. Spyro Reignited Trilogy and its related info will be uninstalled. Open the Xbox app to download Spyro Reignited Trilogy again. Search for Spyro Reignited Trilogy. Click on Spyro Reignited Trilogy. Press Install. Select your installation drive. Press Install again. Wait for Spyro Reignited Trilogy to be downloaded and installed. Now launch your game.